Burnt to a crisp on the outside, probably still raw in the middle. That bread is as stale as it comes. G'day guys, I'm Sammy Hitzke and welcome to the BCF Celebrity Chef Cook-Up. Now, unfortunately, we couldn't find any celebrities or chefs, but I'm gonna give it a red hot nudge. A few weeks ago, we reached out to you legends on Facebook and Instagram to find the best ever camp cooking recipes. And well, you guys delivered in spades. In this video, we're gonna be showcasing a recipe that Maddy calls her camping childhood. And it's something I reckon we could all relate to. Let's get stuck in. Now, to bring this recipe to life, what you're gonna need, some cheap snags and some cheaper bread. If they're frozen, even better. These ones aren't, so we're gonna have to make do. Open her up and just have at it. Now these are actually starting to look pretty good, but here's the crucial part of the recipe. What you're gonna need to do is close the lid down and really get distracted by something. I recommend the cricket. Go watch that for a good 15 to 20 minutes and leave these on high heat. That's where the magic happens. Look at that. Burnt to a crisp on the outside, probably still raw in the middle. That bread is as stale as it comes. Maddy, I reckon we've all been to one of these camp cook-ups. Not today. We're doing it gourmet style. Now, to start it off, you're gonna need some top of the line sausages. We've got Wagyu beef and cracked pepper, little lamb and rosemary there as well. Condiments, jalapenos, onions, cheese, pickles, and bacon. Now, start this one off, guys. Grab yourself a pan, get that heating up on the barbecue. Now, you wanna get some nice pretty grill marks on these guys, so get them running across the grill like so. You also grab your bacon and your onion. Get those guys cooking away. Alright guys, everything's just about done here. Grab a bread roll. Grab the best looking snag for yourself. Bit of onion and bacon on top. Beautiful. Now here's a little pro tip. Bit of cheese on there. Actually, a lot of cheese on there. Now chuck it back on your hot plate. Just let that cheese melt a little. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice melted cheese. Beautiful. Now we're gonna top it. Bit of pickles on there. Don't worry about the fingers, guys, it's camp cooking. Pickles, jalapenos, I like it spicy, so I'm gonna load up. Bit of mustard. Guys, a camp sausage sizzle does not get too much better than that in my books. Give it a try next time you're out and about. Cheers.